Hi, little mama here. Thanks for getting the free online kit. I'm so excited for you to learn about how to earn $497 over and over again endlessly with digital products that you don't even create. So let's get into it. Let's get on my laptop and look at this free online kit. So, first of all, I want to talk about how to sell digital products without creating them. So you are actually able to sell digital products without creating them because there are digital products that are PLR or MRR. So what is the difference and what are they? So PLR stands for private label rights. And what that means is that you're going to be able to edit the content of the digital product and make it your own. And you're going to be able to sell it at whatever price you want or give it away. And MRR stands for master resale rights. Now, with master resale rights, they have different rules, and one of them is you do not uh, edit the content of the digital product. So you're just going to buy it and sell it as is. And how you're going to differentiate yourself is the branding. So you can sell it as your own because you will be able to brand it with your sales page and everything like that. Usually, you're going to get digital files so that you can also upload it to your platform to sell as well. So, there are many benefits to both kinds because you'll be able to save so much time. Why you want to have a PLR or a MRR product is because not only you save so much time, like we talk about, but you're going to be creative without being creative because you could use templates. And then you're going to have already a proven product because if it's not working, then nobody else will be selling it. And there, you're going to have already a proven market because you're basically the market for the product. And then this gives you quicker time to set up your online business and get moving and selling online very fast. So, what is the ultimate digital product to buy and resell? Is Learn and Earn Profits online course. This is absolutely an incredible, comprehensive digital marketing course that anyone who wants to earn money online, doesn't matter who you are, if you want to earn online, you have to know digital marketing, period. And the way to do it is do it organically so that you can do it for free. You don't want to pay for ads in the beginning because once you start paying for ads, you have to keep paying for ads all the time. And in the beginning, it's going to take you thousands of dollars of pay ads to learn how to do it until you're profitable. It also teaches you how to use sales funnels and how to set it up step by step. And then also shows you how to do email marketing that highly will help you convert all your visitors to customers. And this course is only priced at $497. Other courses are priced at much higher, like thousands of dollars. And this one is only at $497 and has everything that you need to learn to get your online business up and running. This MRR product is actually so good. If you don't know what niche to sell, if you don't know how to create a digital product or what to create for your digital product, then this course will be your first digital product that you can use and just help other people learn how to do digital marketing. And also, they can use this course and start their digital marketing business with this one course first. So the only thing about this course is that you have to sell it at 497 minimum. And so that means that with one sale, you already get your investment back. So all the other sales you're going to get earning 497 for each sale, you're going to earn the whole 100% of that profit over and over again endlessly for however long you want to promote the course for. So this is an incredible MRR digital product that I highly recommend, that I've invested myself, and I love the community that's in there. Everybody's so supportive. I highly recommend it. And this benefit of no inventory, you get to pay only one time. There are no upsells whatsoever, and everything in the community is free. They give you free weekly live training. Do you know people are charging $2,500 a course with the live training? This is only $497 one time. So how to get started in 4 steps. Okay, in step 1, you're going to get the MMR digital product right here with this link. And then you're going to create your easy link in bio store. And this link right here has a 14-day free trial. So you could get up and running in a day, and then you can literally have your stand store paid for, which is only $29 a month after the free trial. You can have that paid for easily. It's a very low monthly fee for a very powerful tool. They do have a $99 plan as well, but that's if you want making your funnels in there and your email marketing all in one place instead of using another platform like the course actually suggests. So it's up to you what you want to do, but I like this link in bio because it has an incredible interface with the social media accounts that you're going to use it with. So it really makes it very seamlessly, like it's on the platform. So I highly recommend the store that is linked here. Now, the step 3 is to add your products to your store. And I say products because if you buy from me, I'm going to give you bonuses that I'm going to show you in a second here. So you're going to have multiple products to add to your store based on the information that I'm going to give you. But of course, the first product is going to be the Learn and Earn Profits online course. And that's going to be your first step. And then you're going to add the other digital products that I'm also going to be including. So I'm going to tell you all about that in a second here. And then step 4, you're going to start selling and profiting. This is where the digital marketing course is going to be very critical for your success because you're going to learn from the course, learn how to launch your online business on social media like TikTok and other Instagram and or Pinterest or anything like that. You need to go to the course to learn all that if you don't know it yet. For my bonuses, if you are going to purchase from my online kit, customers will get these bonuses. Okay, with your bonuses, you're going to get a free 30-minute call with me so that we could talk about how to get started and point you in the right direction and get you started fast. And then you're also going to get all of my PLR digital products on my stand store. Even if I add more later, if you're a customer, you're going to get it anyway. So you're going to get all future PLR digital products as well as I add them to my store. And then third, you're going to get a detailed step-by-step instructions to the shortest path to get up and running in less than 4 hours. So it's basically, I'm going to teach you exactly how I do it, which is using my link in bio store to get everything set up all in one place so you can get started fast. It is the fastest way. So here is the purchase button again. If you want to purchase from me and get all these bonuses, once you purchase this, all these bonuses will be emailed to your inbox within 10 minutes of your purchase. Now, I'm also including in this free online kit 20 best PLR websites to go buy from. If you don't want to promote the Learn and Earn Profits online course, of course, you don't have to, but I highly suggest that you learn how to market online because if you choose any digital products from these websites, you're going to need to know how to market them. And so you need the course just to learn that. Right here on this page, you can read it on your own, but there are just some things that I talk about how to find good products and what you want to look for as you are looking through these websites. Now, before you go on these websites, the one thing that you do need is decide on a niche. Because if you don't know what niche you're going to go into, then you don't know how to search what products to get, right? So you need to think about if you're going to be in one of the 3 big niches, like the wealth, health, or relationships niches, or one of your own niches, like going into cooking or knitting or playing music or like piano, like an instrument. So there are so many different things that you can sell on the internet basically. You need to just pick a topic that you really like so that you can market it on social media and get these done for you products and start selling. If you don't get the 497 course, you could go on my online kit store at myonlinekit.com and take a look at my other PLR digital products right there. Those are also PLR. And so you can just use those and start learning how to set that up. That's what my guide is about, is to set up your link in bio store and use these digital products to add to your store. So either way, you're going to need to learn how to set up your link in bio store and then also learn about how to promote on social media. So that's what the Learn and Earn Profits Online is all about. And I really cannot talk about the community enough. The last thing I want to mention is that I'm here to also help you myself. So this is the Facebook group that I've created so that I can mentor everybody. You're going to have access to me, and I'm going to help you in this Facebook group. So if you want to have my personal help, go here or community at Learn and Earn Profits Online and get help there too. So it's a very supportive community, and you're going to have a great time, and you're not going to feel like you're doing this alone. So we're going to do it together. So let's get started today. I'll see you on the other side.